up, YouTube? It's your man Rich Sir Carl, and I'm back with another video. This video we're gonna be talking about like how to clean, and I'm looking for people if you're available in the Atlanta area to clean, and I'm gonna show you how to clean. So what you do is you get like a pot or something, or like and you take the warm water first, and then you scrub it. And I'm gonna show you in the video. You're gonna scrub it, and then after you scrub it, you're gonna wash it with that clean water. Make sure ain't nothing on it, and it's gonna be clean. Okay. I want to thank y'all for subscribing and being there for me. 2022 and 2023, I'm about to be posting more videos. Okay. So I got my hot water right here. I'm gonna go to the cold water. Rinse it out. And you might want to rinse it for like 30 seconds, or even more, or however you want to, or however your water can last. Boom, clean, squeaky clean. I thank y'all, man. I want y'all to subscribe and keep on subscribing and keep on watching my videos. Rich Sir Carl, and more videos coming soon.